Davis, what's in your pockets? Did you go in Daddy's closet and steal some money? Davis, did you steal money and put it in your pockets? Are you ignoring me, Davis? Can't move. Jeez, what's in your pockets? Did you steal money from Dada? Oh, good job, Greer. You getting ready for dinner? Yeah, Greer's getting ready for dinner. Hey, Greer, look at Mommy. Hey, hey. You like your new toy? You like your new toy? Hang on 1 second. I'll get you dressed in just a second. Say, hey, Dada.
Hi, Dada.
Hey, Dada. I'm playing with my new toy. Jared and Joni gave it to me for my birthday. It's a fish. Can you say fish? Say, hey, Dada. Hey, Dada. Hey, Dada. Smooch. You want to smooch, Dada? Smooch. Okay. What, honey? I'm doing the phone. Say, Dada. 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 Hey, Aves. Say, Dada. You eating corn? Corn and tomatoes? Corn and tomatoes with your new tooth? Corn and tomatoes with my new tooth. I'm coming right now, Greer. I'm coming right now. I'm coming. Davis, where's your car? Your car. Bye-bye, Dada. Say it again, Greer. Say bye-bye, Dada. Greer, what are you doing? Hey, Greer. Oh, you got some snaps. You got snaps, Greer. I'll help you in a second, baby. I'll help you with your clothes in a second. Say bye-bye, Dada. Say love you, Dada. Greer, say love you, Dada. Love you, Dada. Davis, say bye-bye, Dada. Say it again. He didn't hear you, Davis. Say love you, Dada. Say love you, Dada. Okay, say I stole money, Dada. Greer, Davis, look at me. Say cheese. Love you.